Here is your official Hew Man Makerbot survival kit. Everything you need to keep your printer printing. You'll see that there's a 7mm nut driver, a 7mm wrench. I prefer the one with the boxed end like I have here. One of the Allen wrenches that came with your bot. You also see a number 50 thumb drill that's 1.5 inches long. Just happen to have this on hand from a thumb drill kit, and the length turned out to be absolutely perfect. As you'll see, it's 1.5 inches. Now we'll see how easy it is to clear the hardened filament from your extruder in just minutes. From the main menu, choose Preheat. Start Preheat. And wait for it to get the temperature. Sometimes it'll be a little rough getting it out of there. There, good. Alright, we'll put it aside. Now remember, in these cases, it's not the nozzle that's plugged. It's the tube, the upper portion of the feeder tube. And so, we're going to be doing this hot. And so you first break it loose with your wrench, which I already pre-did that. And then I use the nut driver, make it real easy to get off while it's hot. See how it's smoking? She be hot. Alright, now once you remove that, let's keep, you can use the Allen wrench to keep it from shifting, especially on the dual extruders. This one, it can shift a little bit, doesn't hurt it. Mine's a little loose. I've not seen a problem from that at all. And now we start working the thumb drill up in there, and you just work it until it stops, and it's going to warm up as it starts to work its way up. It gets a little tough, you can wait, turn a little bit, and even though mine was printing pretty good, I can see right now it still has some filament up in there, because I can feel the back pressure. Now with this length, you don't have to worry about hitting the feeder gear up in there. Oh, see, now it's starting to go better. Now, sometimes I just let it sit and heat up on its own. And I've done that and walked away and it fell out. So it will get hot and come right out. So, there we go. She's turning pretty good. And you'll see this one bottoms all the way out. Once you do that, you pull it out, clean off some of your debris. You can do that a few times. Now you're all cleaned out. It's just a matter of, alright, now we're all clean. Now we'll reinstall our filament, and just keep pushing it until it comes out of the bottom, and you'll see it'll melt and fall off in a second. Sorry, it's kind of choppy here. Or we can just kind of pull it off. Now it's still got our tip in our nut driver, so we'll put it back up in there. And you can snug it with the wrench if you want, but it's ready to go. And so now we'll tell it to load filament just to make sure everything's good. Change filament, load, and let's see what she does. I think it would have been hot enough, but apparently not. What you can do while you're waiting is try to keep my brush here and clean the nozzle off a little bit. Now what are we at? There we go. And you can see we're doing nice. And so there you have it. Nice and clean. Little side point too, if you notice my painter's tape on I have a glass tray, but you notice I haven't changed it in forever, and it seems like the more you use it, the better it gets. So just a little side point. Well, I hope the survival kit helps you out,
and enjoy your printing.